Give your little builder unlimited possibilities with this deluxe workshop from Step 2. Designed to look just like an authentic workbench, it's sure to become an instant favorite in his bedroom or playroom. This deluxe workbench comes with everything your child needs to build his vision: an electric drill, drill bits, screws and nuts, saw, hammer, pliers, screwdrivers, and dozens of other tools. You'll also get 17 wood pieces that are actually made of Durafoam and interlock easily together. The workshop even includes a pretend shop vac, spring action vise, and a working overhead light. The large work surface is equipped with screw holes and recessed storage areas for nuts and screws. Tools can hang on the pegboard or store in the pull-out drawers, tool chest cabinet, or bins. As your child builds countless structures, he'll strengthen his eye-hand coordination and motor skills. He can follow the instructions for 4 example projects or let his imagination be his guide.